Hello, this how-to guide will walk us through how to approve, acknowledge, or review an assessment detail. Depending on your role in the assessment detail, as well as depending on the status of the assessment detail, you will have different actions assigned to you. So I will open up the iTrack portal, and if I go down to assessment actions within the dashboard, I can see that I've given 3 actions assigned to me. If you do not have this view or this grid within the iTrack dashboard page, please reach out to your iTrack 365 admin, and they can add that using the iTrack system settings table. From there, I'll start with the acknowledgements, and I will open up test comments assessment detail. We can see that the assessment's opened up in a read-only fashion, and we can go into comments and we can say, I approve of this, or I acknowledge this assessment. Once you left our comments into the system, we can see here Raymond also left the comments. iTrack test 5 and iTrack test 5 also left comments. So then if I go and I select accept, the assessment detail will save, and we can see that I've now been labeled as a accepted acknowledger with my comments there as well. If after I've acknowledged the assessments, I want to add more comments, I can do so by adding comments in this text field again. If I select add comments, you can see I'll just leave comments in the assessment actions grid. So that's how you acknowledge a review. And then if I go down to lifting and hoisting, we can see approval, and it's the exact same thing. So I have comments for the approval. I approve this assessment, and I can hit accept. Now, please note if you are the owner of the assessment detail, this can get a bit tricky if you have to approve your own assessment detail, as if you double click, you might accidentally hit publish, which will publish the assessment detail before all of the approvals have been completed. So you can see here, comments, I approve this assessment from the approval, and it's been accepted. And the final one is review. So same thing, we can give comments. I do not agree with task 1, 2, 3. Then I will hit reject. And you can see here that at the very bottom, I have rejected the review. Now, if you are the owner of a assessment detail and someone gave a rejection, you do have the power to actually overwrite that and just hit approve. And that will move the status to approve, even though the reviewer rejected the review stage. Thank you and have a great day.